Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that's on everyone's mind: how to navigate job opportunities in the post-COVID era in different countries. The pandemic has transformed job markets around the globe, and understanding these changes is key to securing employment. Whether you're looking to move to a new country or simply curious about the global job market, we've got you covered.
We're going to explore how job markets have evolved in Canada, Portugal, the United States, and more. We'll also discuss which skills are now in demand and give you strategic tips to position yourself for success in this new landscape. So, let's dive right in. First up, let's take a look at Canada. The Canadian job market has seen significant shifts due to the pandemic. Remote work has become more prevalent, especially in tech and professional services. Healthcare and logistics are also booming sectors due to increased demand. If you're looking to move to Canada, consider roles in these industries. Additionally, proficiency in digital skills and remote collaboration tools is a huge plus. Canada is also investing heavily in green energy and infrastructure projects, which means engineering and environmental science professionals are in high demand. To enhance your chances, consider upskilling through online courses or certifications relevant to these fields. In the UK, the job market is recovering with a surge in demand for tech and healthcare professionals. To stand out, focus on digital skills and consider certifications in data analysis, cybersecurity, or digital marketing. Germany's robust manufacturing and engineering sectors continue to grow. Emphasize your technical expertise and, if possible, learn German to increase your appeal to local employers. In the Austria, value skilled workers in tourism, healthcare, and renewable energy. Highlight your specialized skills and any multilingual abilities. In the Italy's economy is seeing a resurgence in traditional sectors like fashion and food, as well as in green technology. Showcase your creativity and any hands-on experience.
Now, let's head over to Portugal. The Portuguese job market is increasingly focused on digital transformation. Startups and tech companies are flourishing, especially in Lisbon and Porto. If you have skills in software development, digital marketing, or UX/UI design, you're in luck. Portugal is also encouraging remote work, making it an attractive destination for digital nomads. Another area of growth in Portugal is tourism and hospitality, which are rebounding strongly. Language skills, especially in English, French, and Spanish, can give you an edge. Networking is crucial here, so consider joining local business groups and online forums to make valuable connections. Next, we move to the United States. The U.S. job market has been reshaped by the pandemic, with a huge shift towards remote and hybrid work models. Sectors like technology, e-commerce, and healthcare have seen massive growth. If you're looking for opportunities in the U.S., skills in cybersecurity, cloud computing, and data analytics are particularly sought after. Cut to a visual of a tech hub in Silicon Valley with people working in a hybrid model. Moreover, the U.S. is experiencing a resurgence in manufacturing and supply chain roles as companies rethink their global logistics strategies. Practical experience and certifications in these areas can make you a strong candidate. Flexibility and adaptability are key, so be prepared to pivot and seize new opportunities as they arise now. Let's talk about the skills that are in demand across these markets. No matter where you're looking to work, digital literacy is a must. Skills in software development, data science, and digital marketing are universally valued. Additionally, soft skills like adaptability, communication, and problem-solving are more important than ever in the post-COVID era. Consider investing in online courses or certifications to boost your resume. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer a wide range of options to help you stay competitive. And don't forget the power of networking. Building a strong professional network can open doors you never knew existed. Finally, let's discuss how to strategically position yourself to secure employment. Here are some key tips. Tailor your resume. Customize your resume for each job application, highlighting relevant skills and experiences. Build an online presence. Create a professional LinkedIn profile and consider a personal website to showcase your portfolio. Upskill regularly. Stay updated with industry trends and continually enhance your skill set. Network actively, join professional groups, attend virtual events, and engage with industry leaders on social media. Be flexible, be open to remote work or relocating to where the jobs are. The post-COVID job market is full of opportunities if you know where to look and how to prepare. By understanding the changes in different countries and strategically positioning yourself, you can navigate this new landscape with confidence. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Have questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your job hunt.